Hello everyone. So this is Chelsea Harmony Love. Today I am going to talk about how you can get over your fear and not let fear control you, but for you to be able to control fear and how to get over your fear. Be brave, be bold, and be you. So what is fear? Fear is thinking someone is out to get you. Fear prevents us from being able to fulfill our dreams and goals. It becomes a stumbling block to live to our fullest, to be able to experience the greatness and the love and the possibilities that God has created for us. For God said that He did not give us a spirit of fear, but of a sound mind. And also, He created this life so that we can enjoy the fruits of our labor. But let's get right back to the topic of fear. So there gets to a point where we can't even take advantage of opportunities, and makes us think, some things makes us think that we are not enough. But actually God said that we are enough. For His word says so, that we are enough. So how do we get over fear? Being able to get over fear is being able to have the courage to be able to face something, even in the midst of failure. When you know that you are going to fail, you still face it with confidence in God, being able to trust and have faith in God. As it says in Psalm 27, "The Lord is my light and my salvation, and whom shall I fear? And the Lord is the stronghold of my life, of whom shall I be afraid? And when evil men advance against me to devour my flesh, and when my enemies and foes attack me, they will stumble and fall." And it also says that though an enemy encamps me, my heart will not fear. For I will have confidence in Jesus Christ. And I will trust in God. And I will have faith in God, even in the midst of failure. So don't look down on yourself. Face your fears. Do not think about what is going to happen tomorrow. For God already told us that tomorrow will worry about itself. Doesn't the birds even eat? They have food to eat. So what do you need to worry about? Sometimes the enemy puts some negative thoughts in our minds. And I call these lies, because what the enemy actually tells you is not the truth. Because you know what the truth is? The truth is in the Word of God. It's in the Word of God. For example, in God's words, it says that I was fearfully and wonderfully made by God. I am a masterpiece in God's creation. So rely on the Word of God to be able to overcome fear. Thank you for watching, and I just hope that you will be able to check out my journals and stay blessed. Thank you. Bye-bye.